Good morning, it's Uncle Mike 392. Wednesday morning. Time here in Oklahoma City, it's almost 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm wide awake and I'm ready to go. You guys, I just want to tell you something, talk to you about something, what's going on my health-wise. My hip is getting worse. All this driving I do and all the walking that I do out in those big lots, parking lots, is starting to catch up with me, you know. I'm going to have to slow down. I won't be able to do it every day. I've been going out every day. I think I'm wearing it out myself. It's me. Let me get closer to this light, man. You need to see me. I need to be seen because I'm never in my videos. But anyway, I got me and my friend of mine, B. Houston. We've been talking. Plus, I've been talking to my doctor. I'm going to film maybe Monday and Tuesday. I'm going to go to different places, get plenty of content, and I'm going to put one video up a day starting this past Monday. I think I put 2 up yesterday because I just wanted to put the last 2 up. And I'm going to put one video up a day because, you know, guys, if I make 10 videos, I would put 10 videos up. If I make 5, I put 5. But I'm going from now on because I need to save wear and tear on my hip because I still don't know when they're going to operate on me. The VA hasn't called me and said, well, we need you to come in, plan your surgery they haven't told me that. I haven't got that message yet. So I have to just take care of me. So what I'm going to do is just go out Monday and Tuesday, get content, and put up a video 1 a day. Maybe 2, depends on, I get quite a bit of content when I'm out there. I'll put up maybe 1 or maybe 2 videos a day, and I'm good at that. I'm good at getting a lot. I break it down into 10-minute videos, and we can do this. And that'll say wear and tear on my hip, that'll wear and tear on my cars, and that'll say wear and all that traveling. You know, the gas is going up because of what's going on the other side of the pond. So, yeah, but I'm still here with you guys. I'm Uncle Mike 392, and I want to be known as also being consistent. Consistent Uncle Mike 392, putting a video every day, putting 1 up a day, at least 1, And depending on what I film, depending on what I get, I probably may put 2 up a day. I just love going out videoing for you guys. It's all about you guys. It's all about my subscribers. It's not about me. It's from day 1 when I started my channel back in last August. It's all about my subscribers, man. It's about you guys, man. I love you guys, man, for real, from my heart. I love my subscribers, man. Y'all leave me, not all of you leave me comments. You don't. And not all of you probably watch my videos, but then there's some out there that do. They watch all my videos. They leave me comments on just about every video that I put up. And they always encourage me to keep on keeping on. And that's what I'm going to do. And it's because of you guys, my subscribers, man. Y'all keep me motivated to go. I'm 64 years old, man. Y'all keep me motivated to go. Get out there and go, Stay on your grind, Uncle Mike. You doing good, Uncle Mike. Come on, you doing it. Come on, you got this. I love that, man. That hypes me up. I'm a single guy. I've never been married. I don't have any children. And I want to find me a woman. I'm tired of being by myself. Understand me? Yeah. So anyway, ladies, I'm single. And I'm always ready to mingle, But anyway, I don't want to get into that because, I'll go there if you want to go there, But anyway, yeah, I just want to let you guys know that I'm going to give it my all, give it my best. I'm still learning how to edit. I'm getting better at it. I've been doing it behind the scenes, learning how to edit. And one of my subscribers, her name is Sylvia James. She asked me, where am I going to be taking my channel in the next 2 years? Hopefully by then, Sylvia, I'll be monetized and I can I want to build me a little studio back here in the back of my house behind me. I got a nice size room. I want to do my editing, and we have live shows, man, back there. I'm going to fix it up real nice and fancy. And we have live shows. You guys can ask me whatever you want to. We'll talk about cars, car show, whatever you want to talk. We ain't got to talk about stuff that I do on my channel. We talk about whatever, man. It's my channel. We can do what, like you see me venturing off. I'm filming people at the swap meet. I'm doing RVs now. I just want to be a tree with many branches. Like something this man, I don't even know the brother's name, but he said, don't be a one-trick pony. That stuck with me, man. That hit me heavy when he said that. I said, you know what? I don't want to be, because when I first started my channel, I used to be just Mopar, Dodge 392, Challenger 392, everything, Mopars. But when he said that, it struck a chord in me, to just venture out. I wasn't doing trucks in the beginning. I wasn't doing Jeeps. I wasn't certainly not doing RVs and doing swap meets. I was just strictly Mopar. And this comment this brother left me a while ago. It's been a while ago. I think it's about maybe 6, 7 months ago. It's just stuck. It's stuck in my head, man. Don't be a one-trick pony. That Mopar thing. So that's when I started branching out. I mean, I'm an old dog, but I can still learn how to do new things, man. Cause he stuck a chord in me, man, when he told me, don't be a one-trick pony. And I got it determined in my mind, I'm not gonna be a one-trick. I'm gonna venture out. It's my channel. Uncle Mike 39. That's me. You looking at? That's me. I can put whatever I want to on my channel, as long as it's okay with YouTube, I'm just playing. But I'm gonna do that, man. I'm gonna venture out. I love motorcycles. Believe it or not, guys, you guys probably don't know this. You should remember this, because I may ask you, what's my first true love? In cars and world and cars. It's not cars. It's motorcycles. I got my first motorcycle, a SL70 Honda, when I was 13 years old. I had 9 motorcycles in my life. I'm going to probably get another one. Once I get my hip done, I'm probably going to get another motorcycle, because I love motorcycles. I love my cars, I do, but I love motorcycles even more. And Sylvia James, you asked me, yeah, that's what I want to do with my channel in the next 2 years, just grow it, get monetized, give me another car. I still want to give me a 392, a Daytona 392. That's what you guys voted on like 7 months ago. I haven't still got it, because I'm not going to get it until I get my hip fixed. Because the seats I tried to drive a Daytona 392. Beautiful car, and I want one, but the way the seats are configured in the car, I can't. It hurts. And I can't be driving around like that every day. I can't. So I'm just going to wait till after my surgery and get that. But anyway, Sylvia, I appreciate your questions. I appreciate you for subscribing to me. And all the rest of you subscribe, please leave me comments. I appreciate it. If anybody's new seeing this, please subscribe to my channel, and you can give me a thumbs up, please, if you think it's worthy of a thumbs up. Or whatever you want to do, it's fine with me, And I can tell you something, I love you guys, my subscribers, man. You guys are like my family, man. I mean, you guys like my family. It's like I got a small little family, man. And I'm not married. I don't have any kids, so it's like you guys are my family. I love it, man. I get comments from you guys that encourage me to keep on keeping on, keep moving and grooving, keep shaking and baking and all that. I love that, man. It inspires me to get up. I mean, I'm 64. It inspires me to get up and get out of here and go get some content for you guys, give you something to see, since you guys put that trust in me. That I'm going to do I'm going to put some good material. I do my best. It's like, it's nothing out there but used cars, man. I mean, I go to 14, you don't know this, but I go to 14 different dealerships, man, and all it is just used cars. It's not a lot of new cars coming out for 2022 yet. They said it's some chip problem or whatever. I don't know nothing about no chip problem, man. All I know is I'm looking for content for you guys, and it seems like I'm recording the same stuff over and over, because I look at my own videos. Right in front of me, I got a 65-inch TV, and I can go from here and put it right there on that, and I'll see what I recorded for the day, and it's just, I recorded that at the last play. And I get tired of recording something, but I don't have it. What can I do? I mean, they don't have car shows that often. They got a car show, a big car show this weekend, And then they got a Cars and Coffee. It's going to be out to the fairgrounds too. My brother B. Houston told me they're going to have both. They're going to have the car show and coffee both of them at the Oklahoma City Fairgrounds this weekend. That's content for us, not for me, for us to watch, I do all the work. That's okay. I'm still waiting on them checks. I'm still waiting on them checks for you guys. I'm doing all this work. I ain't getting paid nothing, man. But anyway, I love you guys, man. And I always will love you guys, man. I don't know how much longer I can go. Remember, I'm late in the game doing this YouTube creator thing, man. I'm 64. I don't know how much this old body can take. I've been through some rough times in my life. I got hurt real bad in the Army, and I was in a head-on car wreck when I was stationed in Germany, and my body's just wearing down, man, as I get old. But I'm doing my best, Hopefully, I got good heart, good lungs. I'm not diabetic. My blood pressure's great. It's just like the little nicks, you know, like knees and hips and stuff like that. That's what the nagging stuff, you know, you can't really do nothing about it. Just, you know, I come here and I don't like taking the medication because that medication, it just creates another problem in my stomach. But what I do is put ice and heat and keep it moving, man. Keep it moving, you know, because, you know, I just refuse to just stay in this house all day and just play video games, watch movies. That's not going to happen with me, man. I don't like that. I don't like doing stuff like that. I know this video is over 10 minutes, but, you know, I don't get to come on here live a lot. But anyway, guys, I appreciate you, Sylvia James, for asking me those questions. And, you know, guys, I'm going to keep you updated about my hip. And I'm going to try to get out to, you know, the fairgrounds and get some content on the car show and the Coffee and Cars thing. That's a lot of content. That'd be great for us. You know, and plus I'm going to put one video up a day. If I got some good material, I'll put 2 videos up. But if it's whatever, I'll just put 1 and keep it rolling. But at least you guys know I'm trying. I'm doing my best with my limitations, you know. But anyway, I love you guys. You guys have a blessed and wonderful day. And let's pray for our soldiers, our men and women that's fighting in the wars across on the other side of the pond. Shout out to 82nd Airborne. I used to be at 82nd Airborne. I'm now stationed also at 101st. So both, you know, airborne units. Shout out to you guys. And keep your heads on the swivel, guys. Watch your 6 and watch your backstops. Anybody in the military, you know what I'm talking about. Watch your backstops. But anyway, it's Uncle Mike 392. I'm out. You guys have a wonderful day, a blessed day, and I'm out here. Here, let me do it. I used to do this with you guys all the time. I'm late.